Frozen pads are a great way to prepare for postpartum when you're pregnant. They're really easy to make. They only take a couple of minutes. They're pretty inexpensive and can make a huge difference for healing after birth. Typically, Padsicles are used during the first couple days of the first week after you give birth, but you can also use them during pregnancy. If your vulva is getting swollen from the pressure of the baby pressing down, you can use it to help relieve some of the discomfort. So during postpartum, you would use it to help reduce swelling and encourage healing in the pelvic floor tissues. You can also use them as cooling pads on your breasts if you have mastitis or your breasts feel engorged. Generally speaking, you're going to want about 6 to 10 pads. The recipe fits that, but depending on the type of pad you use and the brand, you might need to double the recipe. The materials you will need will be a bowl for mixing in or casserole pan, a gallon-sized freezer bag, and super-sized pads, about 6 to 10. Ideally an organic brand since they will use less chemicals and don't have chlorine or bleach. The ingredients for the mixture are 1 cup of aloe vera gel, 1 cup of alcohol-free witch hazel, and 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Combine the aloe vera, witch hazel, and lavender drops in the bowl or dish. Open the pad from its packaging and turn it over so that the area that would touch the pelvic floor is facing down. Dip the pad in the mixture, making sure it absorbs about half its capacity. Once the pad has absorbed the mixture, set it on a piece of wax paper. Carefully wrap the wax paper around the pad and place it into the freezer bag. Repeat this until all the pads are used. If you need to make more of the mixture, do so using the same ratio as before. Once all the pads are in the freezer bag, label the bag with a permanent marker or the label cut out from the recipe printout in the description below. Store the Padsicles in the freezer. When you're ready to use your Padsicle, take it out of the freezer and let it thaw for about 5 to 10 minutes before using so it doesn't stick to your skin and pull. You would put them inside your postpartum mesh underwear or adult diaper just like you would any regular menstrual pad. Because they thaw, you will want to either be sitting on a Chucks pad or a folded towel. In the description below, I've included links to the products I used in this video, as well as a link to the PDF printout that you can use to make your own Padsicles. Please check out my Instagram where you can find me at The Mother Seed, where I post more helpful content for being prepared for birth and postpartum, and we have an awesome community there. And then click subscribe to get updates for our new videos.